What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Krista if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi guys! Welcome back. So today I ordered a couple things off Shein. So I ordered this mic. Oh, I'm pulling it for you guys to see. So I ordered this wireless mic online. This is my two mics. This is St. John's and I got a charger. Yeah. Why it's not the charger now? I want to know what type of charger does the mic use so I can get a longer one. You use a type C to charge the mic.
Hey, me a real paparazzi, you know. Just watch her look here.
We will know it's not working, we will know it's not working.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive.
We will know if it's working because me gonna push it in at the phone. Let's test this out. So I have one for type C phone. I had a mic for type C with type C phone. I had a mic for the type C phones alone, and I am here. I got the mic for the regular iPhone so I can use it. So let's go and push it in on the phone and come back and see it work. Samsung soon come. So guys, I'm back. And guess what? The camera, or the camera, the mic, the microphone is working.
Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm freaking out.
Yeah, I put some clothes right here, so I'm gonna have two of them. Wait, I'm gonna pin it properly. I'm overpressure. Oh God,
Jesus Christ.
so you can't hear me when I pin it. I don't want to pin it out. You can't hear me, you know. When I hear me, you know what? Maybe just stay there. So when I hear me, hello.
Me a black hair no girl, cause you kinda sick my stomach.
So I have two of them. So this is the other microphone. So in case that I have no other person who would like to be in my vlog or a video of mine, I'm gonna interview all of my
Why you laugh? You never that tell me.
friends. You know, feel like that would be a great video. So me I try pack it back in the box because I wouldn't mind keeping this box to keep them in because I don't have nothing to put them in. And I bought a gym gloves. No to try the gloves and see if it fit me because judgment panel people here. Ooh, I must have perfect gym gloves. It don't fit exactly fit like remind me. Oh, it's exact fit.
I turn idiot. Me no know what for do.
This is my exact. I have small. Guys, this is small. I thought I wanted a medium, but this is small. This is small. This is small. I thought I wanted a medium for gym gloves, but this is the small one. I'm happy. I got a gym gloves. Now it's time for me to go and see if I can. I'm going to purchase a mat for gym also. Because I got the gloves. I finally got a gym gloves. This is my first ever gym gloves, guys. Mega gym. go take up the weights them with my hand. I'm feeling my hand feel like it have can. I have to buy the gloves them, my dear. I did have to buy the gloves them. And I buy some press on nail
Hey, this need my nails. I have to get my nails done, sweetheart.
from Shein. These are from Shein. These are from Shein. I bought some from Shein. These are from Shein. And I bought one more thing. I'm gonna try to pin this now. Observe, I bought a bill. I buy something cute, cute, you know. I buy something for myself, you know. I bought a bikini. So I have it flare here, so. And something another. Oops, it can fit me under the wear it. What the hell? Okay, so it's on the wrong side. It's supposed to be, you know. So this is the panty for the bikini. This is the beautiful bikini. This is a bikini, guys. This is the top for the bikini. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I like it. And the thing that the and then this is a tree. This is like a coconut tree that come on the little thing that hang off the bikini and a heart. The coconut tree represents
Shut up, you. Shut up.
the Caribbean. I can say coconut water.
Oh my God! Wow!
Coconut water. Coconut water. Mm, Coconut water. Mm, mm. So this video basically is a small unboxing and for you to see it a little peek of my personality in a little way because my other videos are a complete disaster to me. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube videos. And see you in the next one. Bye guys. Wait, wait. I want to bye bye like that. You know. See you in the next one. You know what? See you in the next one.